This video provides specific instructions for using the Excel Analysis Agent. The agent is designated to analyze the upload Excel file. Send the analysis report to user's email. On the initializing interface, upload the Excel file for analysis. Here we upload a local file. Confirm the correctness of the file. Please fill in the email address for receiving the analysis report email. Then click Start Chat to continue. Enter the further requirements. The agent can analysis both multiple datas and specific data. Take the example. Here we ask it to analyze the multiple orders data. The agent will follow the workflow preset and the prompts defined to generate the report email on conversation while sending the email to user. The green icon means the current node run normally. If you want to know the running of each node, please click the arrow icon to check. The agent will generate the analysis report with multiple modules, including total orders processed, order status, SOA compliance, and more. Also feedbacking some valued suggestions. The content in email is the same on conversation. If you have any further request, please fill and ask the agent to reanalyze. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Excel Analysis Agent.